How to block all ads in iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the privacy and security option. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, scroll down and navigate to Apple Advertising and tap on it, and make sure the toggle button for personalized ads is toggled off. Now, go back to settings and tap on screen time and then on content and privacy restrictions. Here, scroll down again and you will see the option for Apple Advertising. Make sure it is set to don't allow, and if not, then set it to don't allow. Lastly, in settings again, scroll down to the bottom and tap on apps, and then scroll down again and navigate to Safari and tap on it. Here, navigate to block pop-ups option and make sure it is enabled, and if not, then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for block pop-ups, and with this, the ads will be blocked. So this is how you can block all ads in iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.